Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to apply for an Amazon Flex delivery job in Australia. To start, download the Amazon Flex app Australia version, sign in with your Amazon account and select a region from the available Australian cities. Ensure your city is supported, such as Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, Adelaide, Newcastle, or Gold Coast. And if not, register interest for future openings. Now gather the required documents including a valid Australian driver's license, your APN Australian business number, auto insurance, vehicle registration, and a 4-door car or larger. Complete your profile in the app by uploading documents, watching the orientation videos, and accepting the terms of delivery and payment. Pass a background check and right to work verification in NSW. Complete a Blue Card course, which Amazon arranges and pays off. Once approved, use the app to pick available delivery blocks, collect packages from the local Amazon station, complete deliveries, and get paid weekly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.